Good evening. It's 6 p.m. and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. India reports highest ever 49,310 cases in last 24 hours with 34,602 recoveries. Odisha records big spike in COVID-19 tally, 1,594 new cases and 6 deaths reported in last 24 hours. First patient treated with plasma therapy in Odisha cured of COVID-19. The Odisha government today hiked the wages of unskilled, semi-skilled, skilled and highly skilled labourers working in 89 scheduled employments. The unskilled workers will get revised wages at Rs 303.40 and semi-skilled at Rs 343.40, whereas skilled labourers will be paid revised wages of Rs 393.40 and highly skilled Rs 453.40. Rajasthan High Court on Friday ordered maintaining status quo on the disqualification notices sent by the Speaker to Sachin Pilot and 18 other dissident MLAs. The High Court on Friday also admitted a petition filed by the 19 dissident Congress MLAs to include the Union government in the list of respondents to their petition. Sushant Singh Rajput's last film Dil Bechara is releasing today on Disney Plus Hotstar. Starring Sanjana Sanghi as the female lead, the film is directed by Mukesh Chhabra. As a tribute to the late actor, Dil Bechara will be available for all to watch for free. Dil Bechara will start streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar from 7:30 p.m. today. In the wake of COVID-19 outbreak, Central Seat Allocation Board today relaxed admission norms for admissions into NITs and CFTIs. NITs will admit undergraduate students based on their performance in JEE Mains and will discount the Class 12 board examination marks in the selection process. Renowned Indian dancers Amala Shankar died here on Friday. She was 101 years old. She was suffering from age-related issues. Wife of legendary dancer and choreographer Uday Shankar, Amala Shankar was a great practitioner of experimental and modern Indian dance. Swiggy has compiled and analyzed statistics for the past few months in the cities where the app has a presence to reveal how exactly India has been ordering and eating during lockdown. Chicken biryani took the top spot for overall orders with 5,54,512 orders. This was followed by butter naan at 3,35,185 and masala dosa at 3,31,423. And what's life without a little of dessert? Swiggy saw almost 1,29,000 orders for chocolate lava cakes. IPL 2020 will be held across all three venues in the UAE's Dubai, Abu Dhabi and Sharjah from September 19 to November 8, subject to the approval of the Indian government, Chairman Brijesh Patel confirmed on Friday. In a major boost to the government's Made in India initiative, Apple has started manufacturing one of its flagship devices, the iPhone 11, in Chennai's Foxconn plant. Notably, this is the first time Apple has manufactured a top-of-the-line model in India. Companies from nations that share a land border with India are barred from bidding for government contracts for goods and services until they register with the industry department. Previously, New Delhi had made it mandatory for suppliers to mention the country of origin on the government's e-marketplace while bidding for tenders. New rules to apply to all new tenders in cases where tenders have already been invited. If the initial stage of evaluation of eligibility has not been completed, unregistered bidders will not qualify. At the age of 54, Mike Tyson has decision to make a return to the boxing ring. The former heavyweight champion will meet 4-division champion Roy Jones Jr. in an 8-round exhibition match on September 12th at Dignity Health Sports Park. Thank you for watching and please visit our website www.karuakispeaks.com for more updates and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.